Hello, I'm Professor Dr. Aruna Lakshmi. I'll be offering the course on labor law. Now, the aim of the course is to acquaint the learners with the labor law standards prevailing in India and the target group would be people working with NGOs in improving the labor standards in India. And this is a course having 4 credits, and the assessment mode is going to be the multiple choice questions and through the quiz. And the methodology adopted in delivering the course is e-tutorial and the e-content. Thank you.